So you want to permanently uninstall your 360 Total Security on your Windows 11 or 10. Here's how to do it. You want to start by closing the program completely from the system tray to make sure it's not running in the same background. So let's put it here. You want to find the click the start button on your control panel, which you can see right here. This one, the start button. And then after that, find 360 Total Security. Double click on the entry and follow the uninstall procedure. Once the program runs, it will ask you to uninstall your 360 Total Security, then click to continue. After clicking continue, a pop-up will ask if you want to remove 360 Total Security permanently. Click yes, of course. A message will notify you that the installation is incomplete. Or complete, I'm sorry. Lastly, you want to restart your PC and check if there are any files remaining from the program. And then from the start menu, select computer, local disk, and the program files. Then locate the 360 folder and delete it if it still exists. That is all on how to uninstall your 360 Total Security on Windows.